Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Residence Inn by Marriott Buffalo, Galleria Mall. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, parking, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly and a non-smoking rooms. This hotel has air-conditioned rooms with kitchen facilities and free Wi-Fi. An indoor pool, hot tub, barbecue facilities, and laundry services are provided. Buffalo Zoo is 7.5 miles away. All rooms at Residence Inn by Marriott Buffalo have comfortable beds which include custom comforters and feather pillows. Some accommodations feature a fireplace. The in-room kitchen facility includes a conventional oven, microwave and stove. The kitchen has cupboard space and leads to a small dining area. Residence Inn by Marriott features a complimentary breakfast made from fresh ingredients. Some evenings, a free manager's reception is held in the lobby. Residence Inn Buffalo is less than a 20-minute drive from Ralph Wilson Stadium. Casino Niagara is a 30-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.